Vibha from class 9.
And I'm Pranav from class 9. We are studying in Excel Public School, Mysore.
Problem statement is that there has been a steep increase in the usage of paper in the past years.
So the steep increase in usage of paper also causes deforestation and a long chain of environmental issues.
There has also been an increase in floral waste which causes water clogs and water pollution.
Our solution is basically to make paper from flowers instead of trees, which serves as an alternative from the traditional paper making process, which uses trees to make paper.
The key features of this product is that it is affordable, sustainable, durable, strong and good looking.
So this is our prototype. For this, first we have to soak paper for about 7 to 8 hours and then boil the flour for about 20 minutes. Then we need to blend the soaked flours in the blender until it's pulpy along with a handful of old paper chits. Then fill a tub with the blended pulp about halfway. Then dip the mold and decal to the bottom of the tub and scoop up, holding the mold and decal horizontally. Finally, take a sponge, press gently first, then press firmly with as much as pressure possible so the paper dries.
Our product is paper and made from floral waste, so it can be used in the stationery market. It is also good looking and aesthetic. It can be in craft market. It can also be used in the package market since it is durable and strong.
Thank you.